Hey, this is Mama Miche in the Magic Kitchen today. Meals in a minute, lasagna. My first serious relationship as a teenager was with an Italian boy who, of course, like all Italian boys, thought his mom hung the moon and was the best cook in the world. No one could come close to her lasagna except my mom. He said he could never say it was better than his mom, so he said they were both the best he'd ever had. I have no idea how good his mother's lasagna was because she hated me. And I was invited to dine with the family only once in our 3-year relationship. An Easter meal that happened to occur the same day I met one of my half-brothers for the first time, and I wasn't myself. I couldn't tell you what was served. There may have been lasagna, and she had her reasons to despise me. Not only was I not Catholic, I was Jewish, and she was convinced I seduced her innocent boy. Her boy was not innocent, for the record. I was. Hey yo, I'm like Jessica Rabbit over here. I'm not bad, I'm just drawn that way. We need a little comfort after all that agita, don't we? Have some lasagna. Follow us on Insta, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.